We've been doing a retouch coloring on fine hair that has a small percentage of gray. This works up to about 10 to 25% gray if the hair is very, very, very fine. Using a deposit-only dye system, and those use aminomethylpropanol, if I can say that, AMP, these tend to last longer than permanent dyes. When they fade on tone. They're much more gentle. So we're using no ammonia, only AMP. Now, deposit-only dye systems are permanent dyes or oxidative dyes that do require peroxide to develop. They tend not to lighten the hair, and because of that, they don't tend to leave any kind of a grow out. They're good for toning highlights, refreshing color, corrective color. They tend to fade on tone, and they tend to be very, very gentle. I do use concentrates to make this work even better, and those have to be oxidative. If it's not oxidative, then it's only a temporary color, and we don't want that to be the case. I will leave a link in the description for the products I use. They are Chromastics. Also, I'd like to thank you for watching and ask that you might leave a comment, a thumbs up, or any opinions you might have. Hey, have a great day. See you next time.